This video shows how you can explore the topography of the River Eden catchment using this web application developed by Eden Rivers Trust. The application allows you to draw river-long profiles and valley cross-sections for the Eden catchment. When you open the application, this is what it should look like on your screen. You should see a map in the top half of the window showing the catchment and a graph space towards the bottom where the long profiles and valley cross-sections will be drawn. First, we're going to take a look at drawing river-long profiles. We're going to zoom in over the river that we're interested in and click on it to highlight it. In this case, it's the River Coldew. The program will then automatically draw the long profile. As you move your mouse over the long profile, you'll see that a red cross has appeared, which is also mimicked on the map. This helps you to see whereabouts on the profile you are. You can use this application to answer questions such as what is the average gradient of the River Coldew throughout its length, or compare the long profile of different rivers or of different sections of the same river. The application has been set up to allow you to draw long profiles for the River Eden itself and its 5 main tributaries: the River Coldew, the River Petrel, the River Irthing, the River Emont and the River Lowther. We're now going to take a look at drawing the valley cross-sections. To do this, we need to switch the drawing mode by clicking on the ruler symbol towards the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This now allows us to draw a line across the catchment where we want the cross-section to be drawn. You can do this anywhere on the map, but we've also added some standard markers shown by the orange stars. So we're going to draw our cross-section from the west to the east of the catchment, double-clicking at the end. The application will then automatically draw the valley cross-section. As with the long profiles, if you move your mouse across the cross-section, you will see that a red cross appears, which is also mimicked on the map. This helps you identify where the river valleys are. For example, we're now over the River Petrel Valley, or where the hills are in the catchment. This tool could help you answer questions such as how do the different river valleys compare in terms of their shape? Which are V-shaped and which are U-shaped? Or where are the steep hills or the gentle floodplains of the Eden catchment? You could also take a snapshot of your cross-section using the print screen function or the Microsoft snipping tool and then paste it into Word, where you could label the different features. Here is an example of a labelled cross-section for the Eden catchment.